Easy Animator Pro is an app that's designed to create animations super fast and easy, and it's great for creating animations for videos and for GIF animations. And let me show you. So what we're looking at here is just a quick little animation I threw together. It took me less than a minute, and I'll show you here. But let me orient you first to what we're looking at here. All these different tabs represent a different image. So for example, number 6 here is the background. Number 5 is the text, and so forth. And each animation or each image has its own set of animations. So as I click on this, you can see that things kind of change a little bit here and there, like the direction arrows. And if I come on the pause tab, you can also see that there's different selections for the different images as well. And so I'm able to do this super fast and easy by using a preset feature, which allows me to apply a bunch of animations to all the different tabs or images at only a click of a button. And then I can come back and I can go ahead and edit them and make small adjustments to make it the way I want to. So if I go back over here, you can see we have a bunch here, and we have the ability to delete any preset and create your own. So if you find there's an animation that you really like and you want to use it over and over again, or if you want to make your video consistent and have a bunch of animations where the animation effect is the same as things move in and out, you can do that very easy. And that is a way that you can bang out videos super fast also. So let me demonstrate to you how I can actually do that. Let's go ahead and bring in something new. I wanted to demonstrate that I can select everything and remove it all at once. You can do transforms all at once as well. But let me come in here. Let's go to my desktop and find a new example to do. Let's do this market research one, for example. I can select everything all at once, all of the images. And I can import them all at one time. And you can see they're already kind of nice and positioned in this case, but some of them, if you make your own, it may not be, but it's very easy to move things around. But you can see here that I was able to select everything and move things around. If I wanted to, I can just select an individual image and move it as well. So let me actually kind of also demonstrate here how you can make a animation super fast. So you see here I'm on the presets, and let's maybe just do this whirl and twist. So you can see here that I've got those animations going on right away. And look here in the background, I've got these things called underlay animations, and you can see them kind of going on in the background. And the cool thing about them is I can actually compound them, or just kind of make them, I can use different animations. So I can add another one here, for example, and it's going to basically play them kind of just a little bit offset from one another and create a nice combined animation effect, which is really cool. So you can see here that if I don't want that, I can just click on them and make that go away, or I can do any kind of combination that I want to and create neat different animation effects. And there's a ton of these, and you can also color them, which is really cool, so you can make them match your design better. So that's pretty cool, very quick and easy. You can also see here, let's say for example I didn't want to have the in and out animations, I just wanted that kind of in the middle animation. Well, I can quickly just go here to the in tab and turn all off, and turn all off in the out tab, and boom, I've got just that middle animation. We call it a pause animation. So it's things like that that are super fast and easy. Now let me show you another cool thing I'm going to do this time. Actually I should have changed, I'm going to import my art again, only because I made a small mistake. What I wanted to do first is change my size to a Pinterest size. So let's do a Pinterest animation. I'm going to select everything and remove it. And I'm going to come back over here, and the reason why I changed that size and went through that again was because, I'm going to go to my desktop, because I wanted to import my Pinterest images. I happen to have a design here. So let's do this healthy heart example, and I'll go ahead and import that. And it is a little bit out of order, but you can see here that I can just click and drag and get things in the right order without a whole lot of effort. And so let's get this here, and there we go. So there's the way I want it. And I got my little EKG or my graph out of order there. I think I meant to do this. Nope, that's fine. There we go. Okay, good. Now I'm going to go, I don't really want in and out animations in this case, because I want to make this a GIF animation that I can post on Pinterest. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those in and out animations again, and just come to the pause here. And now, because I'm only dealing with a couple images, I'm just going to go ahead and use this to create an image. So let's say I'm going to do, let's do ring for the background there. We've got these two guys back here. Let's do ring here, and I'm going to do the heart at, of course, a heartbeat. Why not? And let's do the little guy here, this one here, at a zoom in and out subtle. And so you can see very quickly I've got this nice little animation. Now it is kind of, it's only showing for a second, but what I can do to change all of these at once is use a shortcut here that I've got in this state. If I click this on here, I can change this to something like 5 seconds. And now it's going to be 5 seconds for each one of them. And so the program is built with a bunch of shortcuts like that that allow you to do things super fast, and so it's reducing the tedium of having to click on multiple options for multiple images. So these are all kinds of neat things. You also have a nice, even a randomize feature down here, so you can try out some random features that will go ahead and apply animations to all the different images and all the different states randomly, and that's kind of cool too and fun. So there's so much you can do with Easy Animator. You can export. This speed export option lets you actually do 3 variations. It's great for if you want to create multiple animations really fast. So there's all kinds of options like that. As I mentioned, text is coming next. It's lifetime upgrade for Easy Animator Pro. Version 1.6 is just around the corner. As we say with Easy Animator Pro, get it done and have fun.